Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
Okay, so picture this, a network built for perfect trust. But what if its guardians turn into secret traitors?
See, this is a special kind of digital betrayal. It's called the Byzantine fault.
So what does that actually mean? It's when parts of the network start lying, and no one can agree on the truth.
Here's the difference. On one side, a healthy system, total agreement. On the other, chaos. One liar breaks everything. So let's talk about these digital traitors. How do they actually behave?
Right, so they don't just fail, they actively send conflicting info, sowing discord on purpose.
And this is where it gets really scary. This kind of betrayal could cripple our most critical future technologies. We're talking everything from quantum blockchains to our health records. The consequences are huge. Just think about that quote for a second. A poisoned AI, misdiagnosing a tumor with extremely high confidence. So this isn't just some bug. It's a fundamental challenge for our quantum-powered future. Which leads to the big question, how do we build systems that are totally immune to this kind of betrayal? Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.